What's going on, guys? So today I'm on a little flipping adventure. So I'm going to meet up with a guy off of Facebook Marketplace and go see this pretty cheap PSP. It's like the original PSP. So brought my charger, brought an extra battery, go test it out, and who knows, maybe he'll have some other stuff for me. All right, so here we are, this storage unit place that also
got all sorts of old NES and PS3, GameCubes. Got everything all organized over here. Some old iPods even.
All right, so we ended up getting quite a haul. I came for this PSP, no battery, missing the analog stick cover. Picked it up for 25 bucks. I confirmed it's working. 3 Xbox 360s. Hopefully they work. He said at least one works. We'll see what happens. Got a controller, PSP charger, and I got this iPod Nano for 10 bucks. So it was a pretty good haul. I think I got the 3 Xboxes for 50 bucks. So we're at, I think I gave him $20 for the controller and the charger. So we're at 95 bucks, 105 with the iPod. Not too bad. Here at Savers, we got this $7 balance board plus $5 in Wii Fit games, and they're both in there. Nice little score. Just got back from Savers and Industries, which is a Goodwill for Mormons. Got 2 Wii Fit boards, Wii Fit Plus and regular Wii Fit. Got an iPad Magic keyboard for 10 bucks. The best thing I got was this thing of junk or of old tech for 65 bucks. And it's got some gold in here, especially this tiny little cell phone. Look at this thing. What even is that? We got some old iPhones. I was in it for these iPods. That's all I wanted. More iPhones, Android, really old iPhone. Samsungs, we got a old iPod Nano, more recent iPhone, a rechargeable Xbox 360 battery. That's random. Another iPod, 2 more iPhones, and that's about all it of value. Some random flip phones. But I got this whole bin for $65, and what I'm not showing you is there was another iPhone 6, or maybe these are the 6S's, and I sold one of those and a newer iPod Nano. I think it was a 6th generation. Sold both of them untested for $30 to some guy at the thrift store. So far, I guess I'm really only 35 into this bin. And if these guys all work, I'll have plenty of money back. And then the phones will all just be bonuses. All right, I've got it all kind of laid out and organized a little bit now. So we got the newest iPod Classic. It's a 160. Then we got a 120. I think this one's a 30 gigabyte iPod video. And this is an iPhone 13, cracked front screen. I think this one is an iPhone 11 or 12, I'm not sure. This one's an 8, something like that. Then we got a 6S. Then these are either, I think this one's an iPhone 5S. This one might be an iPhone 4. Oh, look at that old iPhone 4, the glass back. Got some random flip phones. Got an old Hewlett-Packard iPack. If you remember these were old, I forget what they called them. They weren't smartphones yet. They had a different name at the time. And some random LG, another old flip phone. This was kind of cool. It's like Sony's vlog camera. It's called a Bloggy. I'll have to look into this. I don't know. I think this is when they had all those YouTube flip cameras. And then you got this iPod Nano, which looks like it's got some screen damage, so I don't know if it'll work. Managed to find 2 batteries in here for this tiny little phone that just says MP4 on it. So hopefully we can get a cable. I'd love to turn that thing on. It has a camera and the screen is not even, it's just barely bigger than my thumbnail. So got some fun stuff to play around with. Now we just gotta test them and see what works, and hopefully all of it does.